So I'm with the Kirbebike 250 watt front hub and a 36 volt fresh battery. Just looking at the battery usage, it looks like I've lost about 25%. 12.2 miles, but it's less than that because I had a different battery on to start with for a few miles, so probably done 10 miles range at the moment. Next thing I want to try to see if I can make it go quicker is the tyre pressure. Well, I've had it completely wrong. I think I had it at 35 psi, where in fact, looking at ChatGPT, the Kenda 816 tyres should have between 40 and 65 psi. The best for rough ground, rough roads, which is what I'd be using this bike for, is 53 at the rear, 48 at the front. So just going to check, see what the tyre pressure is today and take a test ride to see if it increases the speed. I know I'm getting 18 mile an hour at the moment, even at that battery level, 75%. So looking at the rear, it's 30.5, which has dropped quite a bit. So I'm going to go to 53. That's the calculation with my weight. I've never inflated a tyre that much before. So the rear tyre at 53. Front tyre should be 48 for the optimal PSI. That's 28. So can I trust ChatGPT? Find out if it explodes. So So looking at this, it's saying recommended inflation pressure 40 to 65 psi, which is that's within the boundary. So I've been doing it wrong all along. I never inflated it to 40 ever. It was always 35. So now for the test. What it does. I can feel the difference. A little bit of a headwind. Yeah, it's a bit of a headwind. I'm getting all sorts of wind direction. Can't really do this test in this wind. I'm getting headwind both ways. So that's not really working. For a good test, let's see if I can get out the wind. Strong winds. So headwind here. I'm getting headwinds everywhere. So it's not really made much difference by the look of it. It feels different. And this way is terrible. End of test, I can't really do it, it's too windy.